all of me? Why not take all of me? Can't you see I'm no good without? Take my lips, I'll never use them. Take my lips, but don't abuse them. Your goodbye left me with eyes that cry. How can I go on living without? You took a part that once was my heart, so why not take all of me? Go ahead, Bernie.
That sounds good.
Oh, another one, Bernie's Coffee. Went out of tune that fast. One, two, three. kisses too. I never knew what they would do. I can't believe that you're in love with me. You're telling everyone I know I'm on your mind each place you Con. In the key of G, Bernie. Oh, we got to do it in C. Bernie don't have a G harmonica. Right.
Well,
Is your eyes hurting you? Can you do it in C, Con? It might be a little too high for him.
we can try it.
All right, let me and him play it first, and then come in. Won't you come home, Bill Bailey?
Okay, look at the key.
Won't you come home, Bill Bailey? Won't you come home? I'm on up all night. Oh, it's too high. Do the cooking, honey. I'll pay the rent. See? It's too high for me.